babes, I'm Mila Rose, and today I am going to be doing a get ready with me with Sakura Haruno from Naruto. And for today, because the costume was just so simple, I'm just going to give you guys a bit of a makeup tutorial that I did with a green look because I do have blue eyes, so I decided if I add some green color, it might actually help the colors pop for the original character design because I was not going to get colored contacts just for this cosplay. So today I'm going to be using this simple green palette that I found on Amazon. I don't exactly remember what it was called. It was like Jade something, but this is the palette. It has a wide variety of green shades and some of them are very glittery, so I really like this palette, and I'm going to be using this one to recreate the makeup look that I've been doing for some of my Sakura Haruno videos. And as a disclaimer, I am no makeup guru. I'm just playing around with some makeup here, and if you like the look, you can try and recreate it for yourself. If not, don't worry about it. This is just for entertainment purposes. I am not a professional. I'm actually going to use some Tatcha primer for my eyes before I do them because I want to make sure that these colors are going to stick. I did try to put a little bit of this color already and it did not stick. So I want to make sure that I'm not going to have any problems. Tatcha primers are really great, but it's also really expensive. So I'm dipping into that emerald greeny color, and I'm going to put that in the corners of my eyes going towards the center, and it's already showing a lot better with the primer, which is really nice. And then I'm gonna go do the same thing to the other side. I'm just gonna fuzz it out or blend it out a little bit in the middle of the eye, working my way the other direction so I can kind of give it a bit of a blended effect. Now I'm going to take the light green color that's really shimmery that's right here, and I'm going to put that in my corners, the corners of my eyes. Sorry, my tear duct would probably be the correct term. I'm just gonna do like a back and forth motion in the middle of my eyes so I can kind of blend it a little bit. And then I do use my hand to clean my brushes. I don't have brush cleaner. Shh, I know that's a big no-no. So now I'm gonna take this color again and do the other eye. And then next I'm gonna take this, I don't know, it's kind of like an icy green color, and I'm gonna use that to blend the top of my eye. So I'm gonna put it at the very top, just above my crease, and start blending it out from there. And I'm gonna work my way up as I'm lightly applying pressure so that it blends out and fades out at the same time. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side. So that's what I have so far. I'm going to be doing a lot more work, so be patient with me. It's going to take some time before I get my finished look. So next I'm going to take this brush. It's very thin and narrow, and I'm going to dip it into this really dark green right here that's next to the lighter emerald looking color that's glittery. And I'm going to use this kind of like an eyeliner. I am going to add eyeliner, but I want to give a darker color and probably make it thicker towards this side of my eye. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I make like a cat eye with it. So now I have a darker line at the base of the eye, and I'm going to do the exact same thing to the other side. So this is where I'm at so far, and I'm pretty happy with it, but I'm going to be adding some concealer, some of my favorite concealer by e.l.f. It's extremely affordable, and I think it does a really, really good job doing highlights and covering up pimples or anything like that. So I'm going to use this at the bottom and also above, just underneath my eyebrows, to do some blending, and you guys are going to see how that changes the look quite significantly. So I'm going to go ahead and do that for some cleanup. So this side is done, and that's basically how it's going to look like at the top. So it's going to be very kind of fuzzied out from the concealer to the green coloration. So this is how I clean up the bottoms, but I'm going to be adding more concealer so that I can actually get the eyes concealed, because I do have some baggies and all that fun stuff, or not so fun stuff. So I'm going to go ahead and add some more concealer after I just finished cleaning up all the coloration that got pushed down to underneath my eye. Before I blend that out, I still need to do this one. Probably shouldn't have let it sit for so long, but... So I've been able to do this top side, and now I'm going to go ahead and use the concealer to blend out to make sure that I can get the corners of my eyes as well to give some extra highlight. So I'm going to work kind of carefully because this stuff is extremely thick and concentrated, and I'm going to get into the tear duct and work my way up towards my eyebrow just a little bit. Give a bit of a nice highlight. So before eyeliner and mascara, that is basically how it's going to look. So now I'm going to finish up with this eye right here. Because I do use my fingers to blend, I'm constantly using BB wipes to clean up my fingers, my hands, so that I don't spread the coloration into the concealer. So now I'm going to blend out this side, also adding a highlight into that tear duct. Try and give a bit of a cat's eye as well. So I'm blending from beneath the eyebrow, working my way up. And boom, that is the green coloration, and now I'm going to be adding the eyeliner and the mascara, and I'm going to finish up with some lip gloss, and that's pretty much the look that I'm going for with Sakura Haruno. So this is the makeup look that I have done. What do you think? And this is, I didn't do this look for all of my Sakura Haruno videos, but I did it for a few videos. This is also the look that you'll see in my photos that I took as Sakura Haruno. And if you want to take a look at some of those Sakura Haruno photos, I'm going to show them to you right here. So I hope you enjoyed this cosplay makeup look. I really did kind of go all out with the makeup look compared to a lot of my cosplays, but I hope you enjoyed it. I definitely really enjoyed the process of doing the makeup look because I think it looks really, really cool, especially with the green, which I never do green. The cosplay was quite simple to do in comparison to some of my other cosplays. There wasn't any really DIY requirements. The only thing is that the black shorts didn't come with the cosplay, but luckily I had black spandex shorts, so I just wore those underneath this dress, and then it was a complete cosplay, and I was really, really happy with it. I also did a really funny chalk prank, Naruto inspired. If you guys want to check that out, it's on my TikTok, and I'll put my TikTok down below so you guys can check that video out if you want. I am going to be posting more videos on my TikTok, but I don't have an upload schedule, and I might not have an upload schedule for a while. So I really hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and subscribe down below, turning on that notifications button. I'm going to be posting a lot more cosplay get ready with me, so if you're interested in those, definitely stay tuned for more coming soon. I'm definitely going to be posting tons more informative videos here on my YouTube channel for adult entertainers, so if you've been missing out on those, don't worry, there's tons coming your way here on my YouTube channel. So that being said, I'm going to see you babes next time for another video. Bye for now!